Okay, so good day to each and everyone and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So before we proceed to our main topic, let me introduce to you myself. So my name is Bea Ukat Upam. So our topic for today is about slide. So among the various types of materials that are available for projections, slides and film strips are the foremost visual aids. They are of great value in teaching. Traditionally, slide projectors have been used by teachers for their slide presentation. For example, through a gadget which is a cell phone. So, magpapresent si student ng kanyang report. So, halimbawa sa first slide, andun yung title. And sa next slide is andun na yung main topic niya. So, hanggang sa matapos yung report ng student. So, okay, for our second topic is Microsoft PowerPoint. Segundo and Salazar 2011 in the research state that PowerPoint, this program, has become the world's most widely used presentation program and is a complete presentation program that allows teachers to produce profession a looking presentation in EFL classroom. So, kapag sinabi nating Microsoft PowerPoint, ay isang programang pang presentation ginawa para sa mga operating system na Microsoft or Windows at Mac OS. So the next one is Photon. So Seaman and Ismail 2018 state in their research that Photon is a web-based tool that offers a wide array of media options, graphics, cartoons, and animated image to create animated presentations that flow smoothly and logically. So kapag sinabi naman nating Photon o Ltd ay isang British na company na nagbebenta ng cloud-based na animation software para sa paggawa ng mga animated na presentation at mga animated na video na nag-explain. Okay, for Google Drive presentation naman is cloud-based presentations, hence it is always available because you can always access it anytime there is net connection using your PC, Chromebook, Android, and etc. So let's proceed to our next topic, which is the Side Rocket. So this is a web-based program that will allow you to create presentations for your language classes. So this software is very similar to other presentation software like PowerPoint and Prezi. Its notable features are its templates which can be used to make presentations more visually appealing. So ang SlideRack ay isang online presentation platform na nagbibigay daan sa mga user na lumikha, mamahala, magbahagi at magsukat ng mga presentation. Ang SlideRack ay ibinigay sa pamamagitan ng isang model ng SaaS. So, Prezi, just like PowerPoint presentations, there are several processes of research that claim that Prezi is commonly used for presentation in academic instructions. So, kapag sinabi nating Prezi ay isang katulad ng PowerPoint. So, binibigyan ng daan ng kanito gumawa ng makapangyarihang mga presentation na maaaring makipag-usap sa isang kwento, magpakita ng isang set ng data, magpaliwanag sa isang plano For example, sa negosyo at higit pa. So, ang malaking pagkakaiba ay hinahayaan ka ng Prezi na maging mas malikhain gamit ang non-linear na paggalos pagitan ng mga slide na gumagawa para sa isang mas nakaka-enhance na presentation. So, the last one is worksheets and forms. Ang worksheet is not only complete on printed materials, but this can also be accomplished through the web by the use of some word processing software like Microsoft Word. A teacher can also develop electronic forms. So Google Forms, Monkey Survey Form, Paper Forms, and Survey Planet. QuickTop Survey, Typeform, Cognito Form, and Ninja Form. So that's for all for today. So thank you.